Hey, this is JR from CES 2020 in the Kicker booth. What you see here are two powered subwoofers. This one here we've had for a while. It's the HS10. It is a wonderful powered subwoofer, 8-inch woofer, 150 watt amplifier, nice and compact, fits under lots and lots of seats, sounds great. We sell a bunch of these because they sound so good. I think we're going to sell even more of this one though. This one steps it up a notch. Instead of an 8-inch woofer, it's a 10-inch driver, and there's 30 more watts of power built in, so 180 watts. This will also handle the inputs from any factory radio output, so you can connect it to the speaker level outputs on the subwoofer channel of your factory radio. You can connect it to your your aftermarket radio, whatever you want to connect it to. It can handle the input on the input side and give you plenty of power. Surprisingly compact when you factor in that it's got a 2-inch larger sub than its little brother here that we've been selling for a while. So pretty excited to hear this in a car because I'm sure it's going to give you decent bass, going to drop a lot deeper. We think somewhere around the 30 hertz range for bass. So that's pretty deep bass for a 10-inch compact sub that fits under your seat. I am JR at CES 2020 in the Kicker booth with the Hideaway HS10 powered subwoofer.